How to fix fingerprint not showing in settings, fingerprint option missing. So if you want to fix the fingerprint not showing in your settings, or if it is missing, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Make sure that you don't have an hardware issue, because if you have an hardware issue, then it might be the problem. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that search, and here you can search for fingerprint input test, or just go with the fingerprint option, and you need to tap on fingerprint again and then turn off your fingerprint and again turn it on, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go back and you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, go with see all apps, go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on show system apps. Go with search, and under search you need to search for fingerprint. Here you will have the fingerprint right here, so you just need to simply tap on it, and then you can go with storage and cache, and you can clear cache and clear storage of this, and again go back and go with the second one, and again go with storage and cache and remove the cache and storage. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your fingerprint not showing in your settings, or if it's missing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.